have found is there is ample clinical capacity. That takes a lot of hard work working with clinic administrators. And if you can build a better front door, you can match that capacity demand, and there is real dollars there. And there's a bunch of patients that aren't being seen today that could be. And so everybody wins. And so for me, this is really obvious to tackle, not just because you're in a competitive environment and patients start having more and more choice and there's new entrants. Like, that is all true. And there's real organic growth buried in access. And so that in and of itself, I think, is a way to tackle this. I think the other way, like, where do you start? Again, on the game of inches, you can start with low-hanging fruit and you can deflect a bunch of calls for people in hours. And if you look at, we have a large academic medical center that receives 4.5 million phone calls every year. Only about 20% of those end in the thing that the health system wants, which is a completed visit. 80% of those other things, but those other things often require humans, right? It's the med refills, it's prior auth. And I don't know that we're going to automate a bunch of that stuff, at least not in the near future. And if you're just putting the robot on top and you're not getting in the weeds to say, what could we do to build an Amazon-like customer service experience that we eventually can automate, then in 5 years when the technology is better, you're already behind. And so I think between the money and the fact that if you don't do it, you're going to be behind, those are two really compelling reasons to say access is really where we should be going right now.